I gonna do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.
Yeah, see it? Oh, watch out, little girl, look. I'm going to content you there, look. And watch out, look. Watch out, look. You never see this in Jamaica yet? 12 years old, a load truck. Look on her. Look on her. Yeah, man, watch out.
She had 12-year-old. Just look at that.
Yeah, man, we call her baby. Yeah, man, watch out, load. Too much. Yeah, man, watch her go on, people. Watch her go on, truckers. Yeah, see how they do? Ah, people in the sun now.
So proud to see these young
granddaughter. Yeah. Watch out, no watch her go on. No watch her go on. No watch her go on.
Because I deal with the chapter now.
I see it foot. Watch her go on. No watch her go on. I look at that. Yeah, man.
You can't do that.
Yeah, man. I'll put them sweet. Yeah, watch her go on. Yeah, watch her go on. Watch her go on. Yeah, watch her go on.
Twelve year old. 12-year-old.
Watch her go on. 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 No big man can't do this. Stop me after me. Yeah, man. Watch her go on. Yeah, watch her go on. Watch her go on. Yeah. Yeah, man. No one in Jamaica. This happened. Yeah. Watch out. Yeah, watch out, go on. Line up the truck. Line the truck.
Talent. Can she get a wow? Can this little girl get a wow, people? Actually, this is in Jamaica. And she's 12 years old, people. And look at that. Just look at that. Can she get a wow? Can she get a wow? Wow. Even though Candy wow now wow again, but people, can she get the wow? Can she take the wow? She deserve the wow. Wow. Little girl, knowing proud of you. And continue to do your best in whatever you are doing. And I hope young females in Jamaica, young male also, will follow the footsteps of this young little female and continue on this good path she are. I hope whatever she do in school, she pursue her career, and if she want to go further in engineering or go to university or UTech, she go and further her studies and become something great in life. Can she get a wow? Can she get a wow? Can she get a wow? Wow. I'm so proud of her. Greatness Jamaica.
Where them a gonna do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.